Okay, so for this one, it's just Cindy solved the following expression and they want to know what the correct answer is. So you're going to give Cindy the correct answer. So all we have to do is solve this problem. Now, if you notice, you have subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition, and then we even have a negative number. So in this case, what we're going to do, because we don't have parentheses, so remember, we do need to have parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract from left to right. We don't have parentheses, we do not exponents, we do not have multiplication, but we do have add and subtract. And add and subtract, remember, you're going from left to right. So I'm going to take two numbers at a time and make sure that you are doing this and rewriting it. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first one. So left to right, I'm going to start with 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8 is 7. And then I'm rewriting everything else. Plus 10 minus 8 plus negative 2. Now, even though there's parentheses here, this is not, there's no operation, it's just negative 2. So that's why we're not doing that next. So then I'm going to go ahead and go to the next one. So now left to right again, 7 plus 10 is 17. And I'm writing it down here because I don't want to write over the numbers. Then I'm rewriting everything else. Minus 8 plus negative 2. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to the next one. So 17 minus 8 is going to be 9. And then rewriting the rest of it plus a negative 2. And if you remember your integer operations, remember you have a plus and negative. Well, the negative takes over. So it's kind of going to be just a negative number. So I'm going to ignore the plus. So it's going to be 9 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 is my next one. So 9 minus 2 is going to give me 7. So my answer is 7. So here the correct answer for Cindy is going to be 7. For Cindy's problem is 7. So make sure that you're not writing each step. Actually, you are doing each step. You are writing it. So make sure you're doing the step 1, step 2, step 3, and then the final answer, because it's going to count it as all of them. And remember to put the parentheses, and you don't need spaces in between the number and the operations and the parentheses. So make sure you don't put any spaces. So, and then for this one, for 9, please put the plus to mark it correct, because then it will mark it wrong. But just know that you don't need that plus sign when you have a plus and negative, because the negative takes over. And make sure you write this down in your assignment. And then the next one you're going to do on your own. But if you have a problem or you're having trouble with it, come back and watch this video so you'll be able to solve it too.